We are back, and I am going to do a quick short because I have a small job ahead of me outside for a change. We are getting ready to power wash the frame.
You dirty girl.
Got the rest of the stuff stripped out of it from the last time you saw it, and now we are getting ready to power wash it. So we'll put it on time lapse, see how clean we can make this, and get this back inside so we can start chopping it up. And was able to get quite a bit done. I was pretty amazed on how good the pressure washer took it off. Actually took it to bare metal on the front pieces of it. So we got all the nasty road grime and grease off of it. So the next step will be getting it in, start sanding it down, and then start doing our shortening. It has a 122.9 wheelbase, and we need to take it down to a 115 wheelbase to fit underneath the Veteran. So just a quick video just to show you where we're at today, and look forward to coming out with the full video on this here really shortly. We appreciate you tuning in to Garage 3030. Until next time, have a great day.